Hello friend, today we are studying Culture in Man-Made Reservoir, BSc first year, paper number 3, unit number 1st by Rohini Sudhakar Chauhan, NES Science College, Nanded. Man-made reservoir, sometimes called a artificial lake or important water resource in many countries around the world. In contrast to the natural processes of a lake formation, reservoirs are artificial, usually formed by the constructing dam across the river by the driving the part of a river flow and stronging the water in a reservoir. Upon a completion of the dam, the river pools behind the dam and fill with the artificially created basin. Seasonal change is of rain-off and the participated feed is the reservoir. There are the big differences in the size of a man-made reservoir, such big artificial lakes and small ponds like water bodies. The stored water can be used for irrigation, drinking water, after the purification and produce energy. These are the advantages of a man-made reservoir. Quick and easy access to water resource. Creation of a drinking water and water for other use. Increase the protection of a downstream river from the floating event. Increase the potential for sustained agriculture irrigation. Production of energy, hydropower, storage of water for use during low flow periods, increase the fishery possibility. Depending upon its size, it can be important for economical factor for a region, drinking water or recreation. Following are disadvantages of a man-made reservoir. Excessive human immigration to reservoir region with a associated social, economic, health problem. Displacement of a local population flowing inundation of a riverine water basin. Displacement of local population flowing inundation of a river and water basin. In riparian floods can be occur, especially in area. Dams are exclusive in construction and maintenance. Reservoir is an artificial lake called as man-made reservoir. It can be formed by the building a dam across a valley or excavating the land by the superrounding the piece of land with a dice and driving the part of a river flow into a reservoir. The water stored in a reservoir are and can be used for irrigation, hydropower, and a water source for a domestic industry use. Man-made reservoirs are also very effective construction to control the unaccepted flood. Reservoir feed by the preparation rainwater run off and form a constant flow of a river. The water loss can occur due to the improvisation, especially in the area or region, and depending upon the reservoir bottom due to the percolation, and small reservoirs are often line sediment from a reservoir, rivers, or a surface runoff can be reduced the storage of volume of man-made reservoir significantly. Water stored in a valley usually has a higher level than the valley bottom downstream of the dam because of a difference in level, that is a valley can be irrigated by the gravity system or the distribution system. The water can be taken from the reservoir and via the conflict or a steel pipe. This pipe connect to the reservoir and irrigation canal downstream. The valley are usually located on the upstream end of the pipe of the control, and the discharge of water can be in the canal, and the kinetic energy of reservoir is often used for production of electricity. Ecological impact. Where no such water body previously exists in the presence of a reservoir, the drainage basin and the abstract of a significant water amount for a storage upstream significantly impact on the water course and the flora and fauna of the human inhabitat in the drainage basin. These potential impacts should be identified and thoroughly examined prior to the reservoir construction in order to the comprehensively assess to the total volume of a reservoir project. The projects to identify and prudently evaluate the potential environment, social, economic consequences of reservoir construction involved called as environmental impact assessment. Such assessment now obligatory by the law in many countries for all the dam construction. Ecological impact of a reservoir dam have been reported from the various aspects such as a barrier from the migratory animal like andromous fish and ectopication of a reservoir by the plankton blooming and decreasing the flow of volume tail water and the stabilization of flow regime by the flood peak cut and changes in a thermal region of a river water. River bed is a degradation and increase the stability against the size and sedimentation trap. That is furthermore big dams and extraction of water can be create riparian influx, and also the paragraph impact of environment in a river fact street cost. Fact street block body and especially for a large reservoir costs are high. It must be designed by the engineers and heavy machineries is necessary. Furthermore, the cost for the material as well as should be considered. It should be constructed for a hydropower water source. Cost is even higher because of much more technical equipment as well as operation and maintenance is needed. Input, what is input? The precipitation, fresh water, treat water. Output, fresh water, drinking water, energy. Operation and maintenance. Fact street back body. Because of the reservoir are man-made, the water bodies are more amenable to artificial operations such as the regulation than the lakes, and the previously noted operation possibly inquire the reservoir include the ability of discharge is known volume of water, permanently time and selective discharge of water from a different water layer within the reservoir. This must be planned carefully and it is differently impact on a improvement as describable and above read the document. Reservoir operations are the managed flows. Dams especially are even large ones. They are checked regularly by the ensuring their stability and security. Furthermore, many man-made water reservoirs are affected by the high sedimentation rate, and accumulation of sediment in a reservoir reduces the main reservoir asset, it is a volume capacity. Moreover, the sediment can be negatively impact pumping and the hydropower equipment. Therefore, the design should be considered soil erosion and sediment transport. Therefore, several approaches of the minimize the deal with sedimentation. When the reservoir serve different function in naturally impossible to operate each function at the maximum level. For example, a reservoir that provides the irrigation, power generation, flood control, and the recreational use by the conflicting damage it is demands by the users. Health aspect: fecal pollution and the contamination reservoir has been prevented by wastewater treatment and before zone in the non-point source of the pollution. If the reservoir used for the resource drinking water, please also check the water purification and measure the protect human health. It should be also considered that a surface of water surveys can lead to the mosquito breeding. Applicability: water from the reservoir as a surface water resource of applicable for use of irrigation in agriculture, household, processing in industry. Depending upon the size of reservoir, impact must be controlled by to avoid the contamination, damage to the environment or use conflict. Thank you.